Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys lock screen sound setting guys. How can we enable it? Friends, you want to enable guys your Samsung phone guys your phone lock screen sound. So how can you enable and how can you use it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, what is lock screen sound and how can we enable and how can we use it? Open your phone setting guys and guys click on phone sound and vibration setting. Then guys scroll it friends, click on system sound and friends again scroll guys, you can see screen lock and unlock sound where we will enable from here. After enable guys come back. So friends, now guys you can lock your phone with this sound and guys you can unlock your phone with this sound. So like that guy we can enable guys Samsung phone unlock and lock screen sound setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable lock screen sound setting and how to use it. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.